In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Euro bank account in Xero step by step. Whether you're working with international clients, receiving payments in euros, or simply want to manage multi-currency transactions properly, setting up a Euro bank account inside Xero is essential. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can get this done quickly and correctly. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. This is where all your existing bank accounts are listed and where you can add new ones. On the Bank Account screen, click the Add Bank Account button. Xero will now prompt you to find your bank. In the search bar, type the name of your bank. For example, you can type HSBC, Revolut, or the name of whichever bank holds your Euro account. If your bank appears in the list, select it. Now, if you're creating a Euro account for manual entries only, for example, a dummy account for bookkeeping purposes, and your bank doesn't show up or you don't want to connect a live feed, scroll down and click Add It Anyway. This allows you to create the account without connecting to an automatic bank feed. Next, you'll be taken to the Account Setup screen, where you need to enter the account details. In the Account Name field, type something clear and descriptive, such as Euro Business Account. This is important because if you operate multi-currencies, you want to clearly distinguish this from your GBP or USD accounts. For account type, select Everyday, also known as Day-to-Day. This is the standard option for regular business bank accounts used for daily transactions. Now here's the most important step, setting the currency. Click on the Currency drop-down menu and select EUR Euro. Make sure you choose the correct currency because once a bank account is created in Xero, the currency cannot be changed later. If you select the wrong currency, you would have to archive the account and create a new one. After selecting EUR, enter your account number. This will typically be your IBAN if you're operating within the EU or working with international Euro payments. Double-check that the IBAN or local account number is entered correctly to avoid reconciliation issues later. At this point, you have two options. If your bank supports automatic bank feeds and you want transactions to import automatically, click Connect to Bank and follow the authentication steps. This will link your live Euro account directly to Xero. If you prefer to upload bank statements manually, or you're just using this account for bookkeeping adjustments, simply click Save instead. This will create the account without setting up a bank feed. Once saved, your new Euro bank account will appear in your bank accounts list. From here, you can start reconciling Euro transactions, recording payments, and managing foreign currency balances properly. One important tip, if you're using Xero's multi-currency feature, make sure it's enabled in your subscription plan. Multi-currency is required to create bank accounts in currencies other than your base currency. If you don't see the currency option, you may need to upgrade your plan. And that's it. You've successfully created a Euro bank account in Xero. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more Xero tutorials, accounting tips, and step-by-step business guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.